GTA Math, what's up? So today we're gonna work on sine. Oops, spoiler. So in this problem, we're gonna identify based on the information we're given what we're looking for. I think green's cool. So whenever you're evaluating a right triangle and they say find x, figure out where x is in relation to the angle they give you. So they gave us this angle of 19 degrees. And from here, we got to figure out how does this correspond to this x. So from 19, if I shot an arrow straight across towards x, I would have realized this is opposite of x. And from 19 to the left, where this really long side of the triangle is, we have our hypotenuse. So we've already been given information that helps us figure out we have an opposite and a hypotenuse given to us. So, wink wink, based off the information we're given, we have an opposite and a hypotenuse. So that actually means we're going to be using sine. Did not mean to spoil it, but oops. So we're going to take this information and we're going to write it in this format. This weird thing that's probably throwing you off if you've never seen it is theta, what I underlined in black. And that's just the angle that we have represented at 19. So when we rewrite this problem and we solve for x, we're going to write sine of 19 degrees equals the opposite, which we're going to write down as x, over the hypotenuse, which we figured out was 29. We're going to take this information and now we're going to evaluate. So where you see this 29, we're going to get it to the other side. So we're going to take the reciprocal, 29 over 1. This will cancel out. And what we do to one side, we do to the other. So we're going to take this 29 and we're going to multiply it by sine. So it's going to look like this. And now we're going to plug this into our calculator. We don't have to do any more crazy math. So when you punch this in, make sure you have it in degrees. Do not leave this problem put into your calculator in radians, because you will get a completely different answer. And you're going to be upset at me and yourself. So when you saw this, you should end up with an answer like x equals 9.441, ironically 4. And depending on how your teacher wants the answer written, whether it's the tens or the hundreds place, if she said write it in the tens place, or he would write it this way. So however your instructor or teacher wants you to write it, pay attention. It might be in this format, write the whole decimal, etc., or to the 10th place. But yeah, that's it. GTA Math, I appreciate everybody sticking with me. Thank you for showing up. And let's continue to learn, love, and grow together on this journey. Take care.